Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to share these products with you. So let's hop into the video. All right, so let's get into this makeup look. I honestly don't even know where we're gonna go with this, but we're just gonna start. But I wanted to thank Smashbox for sending me over some products to try out today. And I have never used Smashbox products before. Have you? So they sent over this Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. This right here. And ooh, I'm so excited about this one. The Super Fanned Out 12-Hour Volume Length and Lift Mascara. This one I did try, but not with a full face of makeup. I always say I don't know if I'm going to like it until I have on the full face. You know, you have to get the full effect. And we're also going to try out the Smashbox Halo Sheer to Stay Color Tint. And this is a lip and cheek color. So those products are the stars of the show, but let's go ahead and get into this look. So first, let's open up this primer. Ooh, this is cute. This is what the packaging looks like. It says this is for all skin types to use smooth over clean, moisturized skin. So we're just going to put a little bit of that all over. It has a strong smell, like a chemical smell. And I feel like it is laying, you know how some primers feel like they are seeping into the skin? This primer, I feel like, is kind of sitting on top, but it doesn't feel bad. So we're gonna see how this works. All right, so we're gonna be using my NARS Soft Matte. I felt like pulling this one out of the drawer today, and I'm just gonna dab it on my brush and go ahead and put this on. I have not worn this foundation in a while. I feel like I haven't worn it all summer long because I have been loving skin tints. And this one is more full coverage, and I haven't really been doing that kind of look, but I love this foundation. I don't know why I get excited about wearing it in the fall and in the winter. It seems a little backwards. I would think that I would want to wear it matte. Ooh, almost put too much. Ooh. Matte foundation in the summertime, but like I said, I've been loving wearing thin, almost not there filling foundations. I see how the primer has made my face look really, really smooth. Okay, yeah, because it says here it's lightweight and oil-free, contains vitamins A and E. That's good. We're going to go ahead and put a little bit of concealer under our eye. And I used the wrong color. I used Tan Neutral, but we're going to use Deep Cinnamon. That's the concealer that I wanted to use. And I'm just going to put a little bit on. All right, and I'm taking my Fit Me 330 Toffee Caramel Maybelline Fit Me powder, and we're just going to add a little bit of that under our eyes. I have been enjoying just keeping it simple with my makeup, not too much. Then I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty setting powder, Cinnamon Bun, and lightly dust that over and under my eyes. So we've done that, and let's open this Halo Sheer to Stay Color Tint. And I'm going to show you all what this looks like. It is a pretty pink color. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. And I'm just going to dab this on my hand. Ooh, I used a little too much. It kind of looks like lip gloss, but it's thicker. This is the consistency. It's a really, really pretty pink color. It says you can use it on your lips and cheeks, so let's do that. Just dabbing a little bit and pressing it up. Are you a blush girl? I would not necessarily call myself a blush girl. I'm very much a bronzer girly, but sometimes when I use blush, I do like it. And this is pretty. It's really easy to spread out. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose just because. Ooh. You know what else? I think I'm gonna use this on my eyes too a little bit. I like doing that. I'm just gonna put a little bit up here. I normally don't do this, but why not? Just a little color. All right, wiping my hands. There's a lot of cleaning up that comes after doing makeup. Very, very pretty, very buildable. I know I can layer this even more to make the color more concentrated. We're just doing a fresh, pretty look. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open up this mascara. Now, like I said, I tried this before. What impressed me so much about this mascara is the packaging. This is the tube, okay? Not only is it pretty, it's heavy. Like, this is quality packaging, and I really appreciate when companies do that. They say that this is buildable, volume, length and lift that lasts 12 hours, no clumping, smudging, or flaking, reaches top and bottom lashes, even in the corners of your eyes. Were they talking to me? Because that's the area that I really try to get in there, the corners. So let's put this on. Okay, it's really spreading the lashes out. All right, so this is one coat, and right off the bat, I can see that this brush does a great job at separating the lashes. Let me show you what the brush looks like. Adding some to the bottom. And basically putting another coat. I'm gonna go over this again, over the top too, because I like to do that. And just bringing that up. If you all know me, I am not just a 1 or 2 layer of mascara type of girl. I like to really go in and make my lashes just stand out the way I want them to. All right, and while I'm letting that dry, I'm gonna go back into this lip tint, see what this looks like on the lips. All right, and this is what this pink color looks like on the lips. It's sheer on the lip. It almost looks like it's matte and it's like a wash. That's the exact word I would use for this. It's like a pink wash over the lips. All right, so I'm gonna play with this mascara and just really do my lashes up, and then we'll talk about what we think. All right, we're gonna spray our face to lock all of this in. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Setting Spray. And all right, you all, this is the finished look. What do you think? I love how it came out. I feel like it's just really fresh. The lip color is a color that I don't normally wear, but I am not mad at it. If you don't try new things, how will you ever know? So I really like it. I like how my lashes look. They look full, they look separated. I like the color, and also blush on the eyes, the cheeks. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. What do you think about this look? Also, they did tell me that they have a coupon code that I could use. If you are interested, I will reach back out to them and get that for you, and I'll leave it down in the description box. So check that out. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for hanging with me on this short and sweet video. And as always, I appreciate you all so much. Please don't forget to like this video, drop me a comment, and also if you're not a subscriber, please stop what you're doing and subscribe. I'd be so happy to have you part of this community. I love you all so much. I keep saying that, but I mean it. I love you, Jesus loves you, and I will see you on the next video.